Hey guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do a lot with trying to show before and afters and different hiccups. So anyway, as I kind of try and move around and get the right look on it, press subscribe. I'm out. Hey guys, Dave Pratt. I get asked all the time, why not just, work with concrete, color concrete? How about putting a coating over it? So this one's been painted, it's cracking, it's breaking, it's falling apart. It's a total disaster and you can't fix it. Then you walk over to this one. I installed this about 5 years ago. 5 years, right? So this one is beautiful. It's structurally sound. There's nothing wrong with it. Probably needs to be power washed maybe. But all the way up, it's not bending, flexing, or having any problems from tree roots or the cars. Pavers stones, lifetime guarantee. If one of these stones cracked or break, I'd take one out and put a brand new one in. This is the right way to go. So think about your options and call me, Dave Pratt, 714-588-8634. I'm out. Subscribe.